Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can trim or cut a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. So the first step you simply need to do is to open DaVinci Resolve, go on to the media pool or go on to the file, and here you can see import option, click on media. So I'm going to import this video, and then you need to add that video onto the timeline here. So once it is added, here you can see that, then you simply need to go on to the edit section. So once you are here, so let's suppose I want to cut from here, so you simply need to click on this blade edit tool, edit mode, click here, and I want to cut from here and then from here, and then you can click on the select tool here, and after that you are able to remove that part, and if you want you can delete this, like so here you can see that that part will be deleted. So this is the process how you can trim or cut a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.